Over the past 50 years, Austro Minerals has learned how to craft each stone to best complement its individual characteristics. I myself trained as a cutter, and in the following video I will demonstrate part of our cutting process. We start with a rough crystal which looks something like this. It comes out of the ground full of air bubbles and imperfections that we call inclusions. They have to be taken out in the first process. This process is known as sawing. After the sawing process, we move on to the preforming, where we give our stones a rough shape. After we have the rough stone, we can move on to the next stage, faceting, where we give this stone its final appearance. The first stage of faceting is attaching it to the dot. After I fasten this to the dot, I use a disc to cut it. For the preforming stage, we use a disc like this. For the faceting stage, we use a disc like this, which allows us to put pressure on without taking too much away from the stone. Finally, we use the copper disc for polishing. And that's the story of how we get the rough stone and get the final blue topaz.